Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Team of the Season Arena, how to earn TOTS Arena points to exchange for rewards in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by open this Team of the Season. You can tap this banner and jump into the fourth chapter, the TOTS Arena. So in this TOTS Arena, you can claim free energy store, a three energy store every day. But if you think that's not enough, you can purchase energy store with gem 125 per 1 TOTS Arena energy. So you can play this head to head. You can get this if you win 20 arena point. If you draw, you can get half. If you lose, you got nothing. And first attack, if you win, you got 10. If you draw, you got 5. If you lose, you got nothing. And match versus AI, if you win, you get 5 arena point. Draw and lose, you get no point. So you have to win this versus AI match. After that, if you collect the OTS arena point, as you can see, I collect 120. You can claim this exchange. You can exchange the reward. The OTS limited pack, you need a 40 the OTS arena point, and the first one is a best pack. You can get 2 mixed version player, 2 best player, and 100,000 of coin. If you're lucky enough, you can get one of this player with only 20 TOTS arena point. So the high reward, you can claim this a Mascherano with 300 of TOTS arena point, and also ultra pack, a 1 TOTS player with 92 and 99 OVR, 2 mixed version player, 2 best player, and 100,000 of coin. And after that, if you win 30 times, you can claim 1 out of the 3 TOTS player after achieving 30 wins in TOTS Arena. It's very challenging, so good luck, practice yourself, challenge yourself in this Team of the Season chapter event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. Enjoy the game.